Orchard in Bloom, May 2nd through the 4th at Holiday Park. Inspiring landscape designs, art for home and garden, music and kids area, a family fun weekend, and one of the top garden shows in the country. Tickets at Marsh, the National Bank of Indianapolis, the Orchard School, and Holiday Park.
You're listening to Smooth Jazz with Doug Hausmeyer on 88.7 WICR. Hope your afternoon's off to a great start. Mine is, because I'm at beautiful Holiday Park at 63rd and Spring Mill Road. Tomorrow begins the 25th silver anniversary year for Orchard in Bloom, the nationally recognized garden show and community event presented by the National Bank of Indianapolis. Get this, more than 100 vendors are here. You can savor treats and sandwiches from the Garden Cafe. You can bring the whole family to experience the fun of the Children's Pavilion. Again, it's the 25th silver anniversary of Orchard in Bloom, May 2nd through the 4th here at Holiday Park. You can buy advance tickets at Marsh Supermarkets, the National Bank of Indianapolis branches, the Orchard School, and Holiday Park. And again, this is Orchard in Bloom, where gardens, art, and community grow together. Since it's the 25th anniversary, silver anniversary year, this is a very special year, and a very special person is now the featured artist, and that is Carol Bell, and Carol joins me now. Hi, Carol.
Hi, Doug. How are you?
I am doing terrific. Congratulations on being the featured artist during the 25th silver anniversary year. That has to be quite an accomplishment.
It is. I'm so proud and so honored. And out of those 25 years, I've probably been a vendor at this show for well over half of those years, and it's absolutely one of my favorite shows.
Now, you're the owner of Blue Moon Pottery. Tell us about your business.
Well, I make a lot of functional things for the home and garden, so Orchard in Bloom really gives me an opportunity to showcase that. And one of the things I specialize in are a real unique style of flower vase called ikebana. And ikebana is the Japanese art of flower arranging, where you just take a few flowers and push them down into little, they're called pin frogs. They're like little spikes that hold the flowers up. And so rather than having an elaborate, expensive bouquet, just with a simple few flowers, you can make a really elegant arrangement. And so Orchard in Bloom is the perfect venue for that product.
Yeah, there are a lot of great things here. I guess the variety is one thing. If you want to talk to the audience out there that maybe has never been to Orchard in Bloom, how many great different things there are here.
Oh, it's wonderful. This is one show I always tell my husband I'm always in debt before the show even opens, because it's the kind of things that if you love the garden and you love the outdoors, and people have really started nesting more and more where they really want to decorate and bring joy to the home, and have extended that into the garden. And there's so many wonderful things, whether it be Greg Adams and his wonderful willow furniture, or there's locally made honey, there's garden art, there's beautifully landscaped gardens that Orchard in Bloom does a terrific job getting some of the best in the industry locally who can come and create a garden in your little nesting backyard. So there's so much to see and do, and the plants that are out here are they're just tremendous. And it's compact, but it's large, if that makes sense. It's intimate.
Exactly.
The setting is intimate and wonderful, but there's so much to see and do.
My guest is Carol Bell, the featured artist in the Orchard in Bloom 25th silver anniversary year. Again, Carol is the owner of Blue Moon Pottery. How did you get started in this industry?
You are going to laugh. I saw the movie Ghost. This is
okay, I did laugh.
True story. Saw the movie Ghost and saw Demi Moore throwing this huge pot in the loft, and I thought, one of these days I want to try that. So after years and years and years in corporate life, I took a pottery class up at the Indianapolis Arts Center and absolutely fell in love. The first year, everything I made looked like a dog bowl and was thick and chunky, but I finally got the hang of it, and that's how I got started, and I just love it. And my whole goal is to make things that bring a little bit of joy to everyday life. Another specialty product I make are called Tea Love Pocket Mugs. It looks like a traditional coffee cup, but it's got a little pocket on the front for you to put your little brewed tea bag in once you're all nestled down in your comfy chair getting ready to watch your favorite TV program or read a book. You just take your brewed tea bag and tuck it in the front of the cup, and you're all ready to drink away. So
Well, now you obviously have products that are both for indoor and outdoor, but talk about outdoor. What has happened over the last 10 to 15 years and how much people are putting into the outside of their home as well?
Oh, absolutely. Like I talked about nesting, with gas prices a little bit higher than they have traditionally been, and, families are growing larger. People are staying close to home. And one of the ways that people love to create a great, almost vacation-type environment in their own home is to extend their living space outdoors. Mm-hmm. And like I said, when you get to visit Orchard and Bloom, not only will you find people who can do that for you, it's a great place to gather inspiration for things that you can do yourself. And like you said, there's great garden art there and beautiful landscaping. And it was funny, yesterday I came in and there's a couple doors down from me, there's a wonderful vintage bathtub filled with water plants and a frog fountain. So it's just, it's just charming.
Yeah. You can get a lot of creative ideas by coming to Orchard and Bloom, that is for sure. Carol Bell, again, featured artist at the Orchard and Bloom's 25th silver anniversary year. Again, Carol, owner of Blue Moon Pottery. Carol, congratulations. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you so much, Doug, and come see us.
Our featured artist this year is Carol Bell. Carol, come on up for a second. Don't be shy. She is a celebrated potter and owner of the Blue Moon Pottery and a longtime vendor at Orchard and Bloom. Carol's the perfect artist for Orchard and Bloom since her pieces are inspired by natural elements and perfectly marry form and function. And please let me recognize our featured artist, Carol Bell. Thank you.